Now this is epic. So stupid.
Alright, removing the old gas out of here.
Yeah, you guys can see it is not very pretty. Smells terrible. Smells absolutely horrendous, actually. It smells like terrible gas. Oh yeah.
Black camping.
Oh yeah, that's right.
This looks so funny.
Now I'm glad you guys get to see how much pumping it takes to get just a half a bucket full of gas out. That looks terrible.
Looks yellow. Shit, that looks yellow for
It's
sure.
opaque too, it's not clear.
Nope. This is bad gas,
Should
guys.
be able to see the bottom of
Yep.
the bucket,
Bucket.
really easily here.
I do think I'm starting to suck like a good amount of air though. That's what she said.
Yes.
Alright, dry out the fumes a little bit. Alright. So this is it. The last bucket of fuel. And buckets of fuel is literally the term because we didn't really have many more gas containers, so we just used just anything that we had. Alright, so I am done for the day. I am tired of pumping fuel out. I got one more 5-gallon bucket that we'll do tomorrow. Hopefully we put some fresh gas in this thing and it fires right up and we can actually take it on the water tomorrow. It should be a nice day. It would be great to go out there and enjoy a nice day out on the water with this boat running perfectly. Would be awesome. But you guys all know how that's gonna go, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, we are headed to beautiful Channel Islands Harbor for the Sea Ray's maiden voyage under our ownership. I'm stoked, Sean's stoked, Chesney's nowhere to be found, but I think maybe we'll take him out tomorrow or something if this goes good. But yep, 1978 Sea Ray ready to hit the water. Let's do this. Nah, don't even pull on that, dude. Alright, so the first steps of you launching your boat in the harbor is going to be getting your brother's big old butt into the boat.
Oh shit, okay.
You can like push off of this.
Do we have something we can step on?
No.
I think I need a loop around here.
There we go. That's the technique right there. And the swim step held him up, guys. Look at that.
I didn't put all my weight on it.
We are here at the launch ramp. We already have the boat mostly ready to go, which is why we are in the boat ready lane. So we have the drain plug installed and tightened in. I've taken the stern straps off, so then that way the boat isn't stuck to the trailer, so we don't short out our lighting system. We're gonna unplug this, wrap it up, make sure it stays out of the way. Don't want this dragging on the ground. All right, so as you can see, we've got our fenders prepped, 2 docking lines, cork and board. I'm gonna get it almost all the way in the water, just enough, and then you can take the bow strap off. Yeah, I am.
Oh!
I would have just jumped straight off. That was an aggressive move right there. Most of the boat in the water, just enough room to not get your feet wet. Take the bow strap off and the safety chain. Right.
Man, it is a beautiful Sunday out here at the Channel Islands Harbor. 3:30 p.m. We got out here a little later than we wanted to, but we're here. I'm gonna go spend some nice time out on the water.
All right.
Fire up.
Got some jackets. Yeah, just since our blower isn't working.
Oh, just gotta pop the top.
Pop the top and let it breathe out for a little bit. Smell, it's a little gassy, so
Better safe than sorry.
gives you some good time to get all your other stuff ready. Take some looks for leaks. We can see if our 12-volt outlet works, which not too promising. No. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Right.
Oh yeah, professional now. Looks like we know what we're doing.
Yeah, don't really know if they're supposed to go like straight up or out the back. It's about 2 minutes of venting. Big open compartment. Normally the little blower fan's just like a 3-inch fan, so you can always take a whiff around, kind of check everything while you're down here.
Got a good breeze coming
Good
in.
breeze too. However, as we all know, this thing did almost catch on fire.
Little
Oop.
mishap here.
Oops, backfired. Small fire.
Well, yeah, we'll prime up a little bit here and get everything flowing through.
Got water flowing through the transfer hoses. Got water pumping through the water pump hose. Truck's in the parking lot locked. We've paid the parking launch fee also, which you will get a big ticket if you don't do that.
How much is that here?
It's $15 for a day pass, which is not bad. So that's
It's like going to the beach.
Yep. And then overnight's $22. So if you're going out, $22. Make sure you put it on your dash, on your windshield in your truck. That way you don't get a big old ticket and your boat trip costs a lot more money than you expected.
And it does. It's fighting through it. Going for it. Are they really? Where?
Behind us.
We're moving.
That looks solid. That looks solid. We're cruising through the harbor, dude.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, we've been talking about this for a while now on every boat.
Dude, it just feels good to be on the water, man. I'm telling you. This is such a nice day. 75 degrees out right now.
No clouds, bright and sunny. Woohoo!
Channel Islands, baby.
Alright, slight issue. We're overheating. We need to head back.
It's cooling down. Close that skimmer or anything?
It shouldn't be overheating already like that.
No. Like there's no water in the system anymore. It was though.
Well, we made it out. Alright, we're just gonna float over to here. We're gonna float over to here and assess our situation again.
Yep.
Figure out what the hell's going on.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Well done.
Thank you.
Alright, just eating our gas station sandwiches here.
I absolutely obliterated mine. I
Dude.
do that when I'm
These are good, Circle K, Italian subs. Yeah, just waiting for it to cool down now. And then probably just go head back, run it for a little while if we can.
Alright, so I guess we should have diagnosed the cooling system a little bit better before we kind of went out on this voyage. So now we're just hanging out in the harbor, like as if we were out in the ocean.
Feels like the ocean.
Still a real nice day though. Some lines in the water. You're probably not gonna catch anything. But gotta have fun with it.
Alright, we let it cool down for a while. We can figure it out. Tried a few things. We have a few ideas for next time. So right now we're just trying to get back to the launch ramp, which luckily we didn't make it that far. Kevin's just trying to keep the motor alive.
Yeah. Not really liking to run when it's cold.
We're both different. Alright, we still made the most of it.
Yep.
We got it out here at least. Perfect timing.
I know.
Get ready to catch the dock because it's not running right now.
Alright, just loading up the boat now. Kevin's coming. It looks fine.
Yeah, that's about how it's at, right? Drive is up. The motor's not running. The prop isn't spinning. It's both all the way up against
We're about
the
equal
top.
distance from our markers there.
Yep. Pop in right now, yeah. I'm gonna check and make sure it's straight before you drive away. You want to make sure that you're centered, you know, before you look like an idiot. I'd say that's a pretty dead center.
Pretty damn good.
We have done this before though, so.
Once or twice.